It's leaking. It's a leaking. She's a leaker. What do we got here? We have, what is that, inch and a, ooh, that's gonna be a pinhole very soon. Yikes. This looks good. Oof. Oh man. Those look like some pinholes as well. Yeesh. And that one for sure. This is really bad. That's crazy. Okay, so this looks like 1 inch. This is 3/4. This is 1.25 inches. This looks like 1 inch to me. Okay, I think this is our shutoff right here. Oh man. Don't be surprised if this thing doesn't close, because that is, oh, that worked. Nicely, actually. I guess I'll cut it. Where should I cut it here? Probably right there in the middle. I should have done it on the other side. Pretty bad. Anybody want some scrap? Okay, I've reamed all of these. I'm a big believer in, this is outside reaming, this is inside reaming. I'm a big believer mainly in the inside reaming. I really do think it's extremely necessary. Outside reaming, it's just a cherry on top of the pie, cake, whatever that saying is. Okay, so now I'm gonna sand these, and then I'm trying to do this fast because the owner doesn't know if there's a central water heater with a recirculation pump. He doesn't know. And even if there is one, he doesn't know how we get into where it's located. He doesn't even know where it's located. So I'm trying to do this quick. All right, we're all sanded, reamed. We're good to go. This will not stop dripping. That won't stop dripping, and neither will this. So this is where Propress really can help you out. All right, still dripping. This one's still, this would, look, this would be kind of a hard job. If I had to solder this for some reason, it'd kind of be a hard job. I love Propress. A real plumber would solder it all, put ball valves, waste his time, material costs, charge it to the owner. Nah, I'm playing. The reality is, though, that in this particular circumstance, this is the smarter option. Facts. In this particular circumstance, this is the better option. Better and smarter. So I just like busting balls with soldering versus ProPress. There you go. 45. Street 90, that lines up perfectly. And I can get the measurement here. Oops. That's why I brought it up to the owner.
Well, you got it first.
Yeah. 20, what was it, 26?
Where's the first?
It's right there. It's on the ground.
Yeah, I see all the thing. Yeah. All you gotta look is for beautiful colors coming up.
Yeah. Why is that 26 and that's 26 and a half? Glad I forgot that measurement. 26 and a half.
26 and a half, I got you.
26. Yeah, in the corner there, it's a hot water line.
Oh, that's bad.
It's over there. It's getting pretty crusty, but I didn't see any drips from it, so.
Just one right above my head.
No, that one's not that bad, believe it or not. That's got some life left in it. I mean, it's not great. So you're retired now, huh?
Forced retired.
Forced retired.
I was, I can't see. I can only see like tunnel vision in certain areas.
Because of the stroke?
Because of the stroke, yes.
Sorry to hear that, man. How long ago
It's
did
been
that?
since 2006.
Oh. I'm not sorry. Not kidding.
You're not sorry?
I'm kidding.
I used to do maintenance, boilers. I worked for the post office, turtle wax. I did a lot of work.
Post office, huh?
I worked for the post office too. I was a carrier. That's when I actually had the stroke. I was a carrier for almost 6 years.
Really?
Yes. So I came from Arizona. I was doing the boilers and the heating, air conditioning there, and we came to California, and I got a job at the post office.
Where's your accent from? Is that
Chicago.
Chicagers?
I hear it. Blackhawks. It's cool.
Oh yeah, I guess I should have put 2 and 2 together, huh? Chicagers. All right, well, that's cool.
Where are you from?
Well, I was born in Florida, but I've lived here the longest. I don't remember anything about Florida, so. But I got family all over. There you go.
That's beautiful, nice and shiny and everything.
Nice and shiny. Yeah. It's ProPress. I didn't want to sit here and. Do you know what ProPress is? Or is that before your time or after your time? ProPress, yeah.
Compression, yes.
It's a very expensive tool that it's a solderless connection.
Yeah.
And it's
We were doing that with stainless steel pipe and turtle wax.
Yeah, they have
Yeah.
they got stainless steel fittings.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to make sure I get that one on. Good.
And the connections, they were putting gaskets. For the valve. I've seen that done. No, I have not done that.
Yeah, this is ProPress. This is you can do it for gas. You can do it. They got all kinds of. It's really quite amazing.
I love the way you do it on angles and everything too.
Say it again.
Put it on a different angle and everything. That's important. Everything,
Well, this is not that. They make what's called a close quarters jaw.
Oh, I'm sure.
And because sometimes you can't get these jaws into tight spots, so they make these close quarter jaws that that allow you to basically get anywhere you need to get.
Some space.
But I mean the close quarter set is it's $3,000 itself.
Wouldn't doubt it.
It's just everything's so dang expensive. But I tell you, when you came down here,
Yes.
I've probably been here like almost an hour.
I heard the water was off.
And it just stopped leaking. So, you know, if I was to solder this, I would have had to have waited or use jet sweats and ball valves and you know, it just gets a lot. There you go.
Copper going into a galvanized there?
No, sir.
No?
It's all copper. The galvanized,
Those T's are copper?
that's gas.
Oh, that's gas.
Yeah.
Is it sweating like crazy?
No, that's the reflection of the sun.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It looks like we're sweating.
Yeah, it's not. It's
Okay, my bad. I'm not exactly a good visual.
not. No worries. No worries, man. Propress, yes sir. This is a heck of an invention.
Yeah, that helps out the plumbers. You don't have to wait for an hour like you said.
Hey, this one's still dripping. It's still dripping. And just like that, I'm done. If I was soldering, I would just be getting started.
Yeah, you got that right.
So, there you have it. All done. Now let's turn on the water. I gotta open up all these ball valves real quick and we'll turn on the water. Alright, that's it. All that took 30 minutes. A little over 30 minutes. So, alright, we're out.